Hi everybody, welcome back to Time Predicts. This is another reading. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen in the next 48 hours. This is a timeless reading, guys. So whenever you are listening to it, calculate next 48 hours, add next 48 hours, take next 2 days, what will happen in your life. So these are channel messages, and also this is a gen reading, guys. I always say that might or might not resonate. I hope it resonates. Some messages with you. So I'm going to start with the romance angel. I just pick them up automatically. Let's see what is going to happen with you in the next 48 hours. This is not a love reading, but yes, I automatically pick the romance angel cards up, like I'm saying. That's why probably I want to give these messages first. So let's see what's going to happen with you in the next 48 hours. Let your friends help you. So if you're wanting to let go of a person, or if you're wanting some advice from if you're in a relationship and you want some advice from your friends, I want you to turn to your friends and ask them for help. You need to reach out to them, okay? And the friends will help you, is what I get. Also, if there's a difficult situation in a love situation, I want you to reach out to your friends. Also, discuss with friends that you know your problem. Don't discuss it with strangers or people who will not understand what you're going through. Somebody is very close to you, probably your best friend. Even if you have to make that phone call, I want you to make that phone call and really ask for help. I think this card is all about reaching out for help, and I think you need it in your situation right now. Sometimes we are doing things rightly, but we just want somebody to say yes, and that's how we know that we whatever we are thinking is right in the end. Though what I always say, it's always your free will and make your decision. But yes, it's always good to listen to friends and family. Also see a gathering in the family, or probably you just discussing with two friends or somebody very close to you. So if you have a problem in the relationship, please reach out. Is what I'm saying again and again. Maybe that was the message that was supposed to be heard by you. Some religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and your spiritual path. Probably you two are very different, the way you think and probably how your loved one thinks. And I think the way you love, what you think and how you feel is also somewhere shaped by what you think. The kind of uh, what your beliefs are and what you think about love and what is right for you, what is wrong for you. And sometimes how we our religious beliefs also show us how to love people, or how expressive you can be, or how sometimes we hold back because we think it's not right. So this is a very personal thing that I get, and probably you've been trained to think like that, the way in a relationship, or when it's a love matter of, or it's if the person concerned, if you are in love with someone, is from a different religious background, probably that's also why probably you're not getting along well, because you can't understand his or her way of dealing with things, and the person, or probably the other person, cannot understand how you deal things. So I don't know if it's about love, but it's also about two people, probably two set of families not agreeing for a marriage because you two belong to a different religion. That happens a lot. Or probably the thinking is a little bit different, and it's not, the families are not getting together. And I think you really want the families to get along. That's what I feel. It's also you probably are scared to approach your family because you think they might not say yes, because the person belongs to a different background, is what I feel. So those were the two important messages from the archangel cards. I want to give fairy messages. Let's see what the fairies are saying for you, what your guardian angels are saying for you, what they have for you in the next 48 hours. They're new beginnings. Awesome. Whenever you're hearing whenever you're hearing this video, or listening to this, there are new beginnings coming your way. Something new is starting. I also feel light green is going to be a very good color for you. Also offering something to someone. Somebody's going to offer you a job, or offer you something on a silver platter. I want to say, it's everything is ready. It's a lucky time for you. It's an opportunity you never knew would come knocking. Suddenly something comes new in your life. It's almost and it will be very effortless. I don't think you made much effort in this. Probably if you went for a job interview, or are going for a job interview, it will be a very uh, everything will flow effortlessly. You will go for the interview, the person will almost interview you for whatever, half an hour, 1 hour, and will probably say yes the next day. It will be that easy. So there are not much levels involved. Or if you want to start new businesses also, what I get, I also get new financial stability. That's what new is in your life. There is there is something new about the financial situation in your life, and I feel there is stability, and there's a new beginning with a fund coming in, is what I get. And yes, if you wanted a baby in the next 48 hours, not in the next 48 hours, I mean wanting a baby. If you wanted a baby, probably you will hear the news that you are pregnant, or probably the next 2 days are very good for conception, or high possibility of you conceiving. Also, I feel one of you or two of you, whatever, are going to take a pregnancy test, and you will know that yes, you are pregnant, is what I get. I get now that yeah, you will get happy news in these 2 days that you are pregnant. There is a new beginning that way. That's awesome. I get a lot of white energy also with this card. Probably you love white, or whoever's listening to this, going to have a baby, wanting to have a baby, loves wearing white or loves the white color. Again, new beginnings. This is the second time it came after shuffling. It is awesome. Next 48 hours, there are new beginning, new projects, new financial stability, a baby in the family, new relationship, new beginnings in a relationship, things getting sorted out. I feel very good when talking about this. So a lot of new things are coming your way. I also feel that you were bored, you were so bored with your routine, so there's some new routine forming for you. Okay, yeah, cards are going flying. There's a lot of energy when my cards go flying. I can't help it. I don't want to pick them up because I'll have to now the video will get disrupted, and I never like disrupting my video. It's a magical gateway, something new. See, new beginnings. So something new is coming your ways. A new happening, a new life, a new door is opening for you. Things almost flowing out effortlessly. Something that you've been waiting for long to happen. It's suddenly going to come so effortlessly towards you. I don't know why I want to use the word effortlessly, seamlessly, but yes, new beginnings are on your way, and you don't have to do much about it. So your difficult times are also over. So this is a fantastic read, and I'm loving it. That's what I always say. I can also feel the energy of new beginnings right now when I'm talking to you guys. I want you to use your wisdom. I want you to connect with nature. I want you to sit quietly when surrounded by plants or flowers or whatever calms you down. I want you to sit around nature or with nature, or probably on the grass if you can go out right now with your mask. It's a COVID situation. I want you to feel the connection with the nature, and I feel that there are a lot of answers nature is holding right now, or probably when you meditate. And I want you to write with green. Green is going to be a really good color for you, and yellow is going to be a really good color for you for the next 2 days, 48 hours. So connect with nature, ask for help, guys. That's what it is. It's remember the first romance angel cards I picked, and it says be around friends. Ask your friends for help. Reach out to them. If you're a man listening to this or a woman listening to this, I feel you really need to reach out. Also, probably you need to reach out to make things better in a relationship. You need to reach out to the person you're involved with. I think you two are not really speaking or communicating, and I think things are going to heal. That's what I get. And the other person has a lot of love in your love for you in his or her heart. I don't know why, but I really feel I'm talking to a Libran right now. That's the first thing that came to my mind. Also, I also got fire signs, also got earth signs. Okay, let's see what are the other things. Ask for help came twice, so maybe that's why I had to do this reading. I tried doing two other videos, but they didn't work. They stopped in between. Something happened. Voice wasn't recording well, so maybe this is the video I am supposed to do, and reach out to you and give you this message. Whenever you're listening to this, you need to ask for help. Please, guys. I don't want to say this, but if you're feeling depressed, if you're having negative thoughts right now, it is the time to reach out to someone, and somebody is going to help you, guys. Remember that. I feel an inward journey. I don't feel you going out, packing your bags, and going out. I feel a very spontaneous situation is going to come up. I feel a lot of reflection. I feel a lot of journey into inside yourself. A lot of thoughts coming to you that, like I always say, why am I here? What am I doing? Should I be doing this? Is this what I wanted to do? So a lot of reflections. I feel it is journey, not outside your home, but it is towards inside your mind, and trying to understand things why they are happening. So you're going to be reflecting a lot. Sorry, cards fell. Manifestation power is low right now. I want you to put all your intentions when you're manifesting, because I feel these 2 days are going to be great for manifestation. I feel you want to manifest, but you are not really putting power in your manifestation, the power of intention, or the true feelings. Like I was talking to somebody today, and a lot of times people don't know how to manifest they just think it is the it is the most simplest of things I want to say, but only if you're doing it right, guys. I want you to put all your emotions, like you really want that thing to happen. If you don't put all your emotions that you really don't want that thing to happen, it will never happen. The universe, like I always say, never listens to you if you don't put out your intention or manifest it very simply or with all your feelings. The universe is not going to hear you, because there's so many people manifesting, remember that. And universe always has your back, and ask the universe for whatever you want in your life. Nature's signs, like I said, you're not picking up nature's signs. Some nature wants you to know something, wants you to reflect on something, wants you to solve some problem. Probably nature wants you to disconnect from the world and connect to nature. A lot of times, when we're alone, sitting alone, and it's just that a lot of things start coming to our mind. There's a lot of clarity which wasn't there, and we start answering our own questions, and we're much more clearer. And that's what I think you need to do in the next 48 hours, guys. I've uploaded a video where you actually, it's called forest bathing. If you can find it in my channel, so follow forest bathing. It will calm you, it will give you a lot of answers, you'll get a lot of clear thinking from that. Don't lose your precious time. 48 hours are really precious for you. Don't waste them. This is the time when you got to start something. New beginnings are coming. This is the time. I don't want you to make this time slip out of your hand that easily. And I think you need to make the most of it in these 48 hours. Uh, it could also be your foundation or basis for whatever you're going to start in these 48 hours, next 2 days. So it's very important. Don't waste anybody's time and don't waste your time. Be very clear in what you want. Manifestation again. You need to manifest properly. Need to put all your intentions in it, guys. The cards are also repeating themselves again and again. Means I need to give you those messages, and those messages are important. So I've just changed my deck. Let me see what's going to happen in the next 48 hours. And the time is just 3:33. So that's awesome. It's a blessing always. I just looked at the time when I was recording it. I told you there is a new beginning coming. Something is going to end very soon. Death of a situation is always good in my mind, because something new is coming your way. New is coming your way. Imagine there are new beginnings everywhere. I also feel a birth. And these 2 days you will get the news, guys. Something new is coming your way. I feel indecision in these 2 days. Though a lot of opportunities will knock on your door, there is also, I feel indecision. I don't feel that and it will be good two options, so you'll get confused which one to choose. So maybe that's why you need clarity of mind all the time. Yes, money coming in. I want to say next 4 days. This is not just about next 2 days. I want to say money coming in next 4 days. You're going to get some kind of a funds for your business, probably some kind of a loan. Be wise in these next 2 days. Make very wise decisions. Okay. You're also searching for something. I don't know why I get soul searching, but you're also searching for a partner, searching for something. If you're a number 9, especially, I get number 8, I get number 10, I get number 12. All these numbers. You're doing a lot of searching about something, researching a project, doing research online. So all those words are coming to me one after the other. This came. Okay, I'm going to pick this up because this did come once or twice. I don't want you to be impulsive. This is not reverse. This is upright. But I want you guys to make a very wise decision, a very informed decision. That's why probably I'm saying be wise. Okay. I also feel otherwise you're going to go back to where you started. You will get back to a zero. I don't want you to guys. I don't want you guys to do that. I want you to make your decision very wisely. Remember that. Let me see. I'm going to change my deck. So a few more messages here that belong in this reading. Conclusions are within reach. Something is ending. Okay, remember that. Something is ending. A new beginning is coming. So whatever you wanted, your answers are coming very soon to you guys. You need to release something in these 2 days. I know it's mirroring, so it's becoming, you can't read it, but you need to release something very soon. Negative thoughts, person, something old that doesn't belong in your life. I think next 2 days is all about new beginnings. It is about new people in your life. It's about new things in your life. It's everything. Everything is around new. That's what I get. I get the word new quite a lot. No. This doesn't belong in the reading. Bring love into the situation. So in 2 days, if you're dealing with somebody, like I said, if you need to reach out to the loved one, I want you to bring love in the situation and deal the situation with a lot of love in your heart. That's what you need to do. Maybe one more card. Work through your fears in these 2 days. Remember that. Don't fear anything. You're pretty strong, okay? Especially a message for Scorpio, message for water signs, okay? Air signs too. Be very strong. There's nothing to fear, okay? Remember that. Communication is the key. This is for Gemini, like I said, an air sign. Not communicating very well, but these 2 days, your communication really needs to be good. Is it because you need to write better or you need to speak better? And that's for, especially for Geminis. Probably that's about your work. Step out of your comfort zone. So if you work through your fears, you don't need to feel, you don't need to be in a cage or cage yourself with your thoughts. I think you need to step out of the cage or break that cage, and break the cage of old thinking. That's the things that I'm getting. I want you to be more creative. I want you to step out of your comfort zone. This came again, but I've said this is communication is the key, Geminis. Tough cycle is going to end for you soon. I feel after 2 days you're going to feel much better. If if you were in a difficult situation, you're going to be out of it very soon and very easily is what I get. I get new, easy, soon, effortless. Those are the things I'm getting. So that's the reading. I think I want to close my reading now. Those are the messages, and so next 2 days are looking very good. A lot of new things happening to you. So guys, do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do comment. I always read all the comments, and I'll be back here again with another reading. Bye guys. Thank you.